Okay, I bought this enclosure, and then there's your speed controller PCB, and then I just make a hole there that I can adjust the speed. And then my plan is to put it inside here, and then to be able to tune the speed of this machine, of this cooker hop. You can see there's the PCB in the back, and there's the fan. You just cut the red wire and the common for reference, and then it on the speed. You can hear on the first setting, I can adjust the speed a little bit. I think I'm gonna run it like this, just to make it doesn't make such a big noise. It's more acceptable, but it can't go lower, then otherwise the motor will get hot. But I'll let it run for a while and see how it goes. I'm just switching off the. Then I can feel if it's anything hot. See, it's like nice and cool. Don't think the motor will have an issue. And I think that's it. Just want to close this and then I'm finished. Okay, this is how you speed control Totai cooker hood when the fan is running too high. It makes a big noise. Just to bring it a little bit down, and still acceptable. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.